you want to edit this slider, images, text, button, text, links, or anything in WPBakery, you can simply edit this page, scroll down. So these are all the sections. For slider, you can go to these settings. If you want to change any icon, you can just simply enable any icon. Or if you want to change the text, you can go to the slider. These are all the slides like this. Like this is the first slide, then this the second, and these are the text. So just edit the first slide. If you want to change the title, you can change it from here, like this title, visit your pet. Scroll down. If you want to change the image of that slide, you can change the image from here, any different image, and set this. Then these are the text. If you want to change the button text, you can change it from here. These are the link, and this is the icon. So similarly, you can change the text from all these slides. Now if you want to change this section text, headings, and the image, then you can again go to the edit page. So this is the section after the slider. So these are the slider. Now change this section. You can just simply change the title from here. You can change it from here and save this. Similarly, if you want to change the text, you can simply click here and you can simply click here and change the text. And if you change the image, you can simply click here and change the images. Similarly for all the section. Now the next section is this browser. You can simply go here and click these settings, upload the image. You want to remove this image, select this and cross, and then again add from media. So like that you can upload the image, change the text and title, and save this. If you want to add more services here, you can simply duplicate this and edit the image, their name, service name, and their text and the button, and from here you can change the link of the button and save this. Now if you want to change the category from the blog page, as you said, like you want to know how to add this, so you just simply go to the post. So these are all the posts. You can simply go to the edit. So this is the post. You can change the title from here. You can add the text here. If you want to add any video link, you can add the video link here. Now these are the categories. Like this is the uncategorized. If you want to add any new category, you can select here, add any category name, and select this. So this category is also shown here, and update this page. So I think that's all. I think I covered all the things. So if anything is left, you can text us, so we can guide you about their things as well. Thank you so much.